Hi, this is Emily from GMT Solutions, and I'm just showing you how you can start a video call using Zoom. So firstly, you'll need to go to the Zoom website and sign in, which is a link up here on the top right. Put in your email address and the password that you set when you signed up for Zoom, and click the Sign In button. So this will take you to your Zoom dashboard. And what you want to do is come up to the top right and click on Host a Meeting with Video On. This will prompt you to open Zoom. If you've already got it installed, it'll pop up a window like this. It's already installed on my computer. If you haven't, it will download a little widget to your computer, which you'll need to click on and run. So I'm just going to hit Open Zoom, and it will launch the program. And this is a good time to test your speaker and microphone. Camera's obviously working, and you've got some controls down the bottom here. So at the moment, it's just myself that's logged in. You can invite people from the meeting directly if you haven't already shared the link with them. You can mute yourself, check your audio and video options here, and share the screen with them. This then gives you the option to share whichever window you wanted. So I could share the web interface where I signed up, and now all participants could see my screen in the conference call. And you just click Stop Share at the top to stop sharing. So now we just wait for some other people to join us. So to invite somebody else to the meeting, click on Invite, and this pops up another window over here. I'm just going to click Copy URL, which copies the link to the meeting, and now I can paste that into an email or Facebook Messenger, send that however I want to.
Hello.
Hi,
Hang
Pippa.
on, I've got to take the background off.